In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create and manage vendors in Tradoo ERP. First, navigate to the Vendors section from the dashboard sidebar. Then, click on the Create button and add a new vendor. Now enter the vendor details in the form. Add vendor name, contact number, and email address. Enter the tax number if available. Fill in billing details including name, phone, address, city, state, country, and zip code. After completing all information, click on the Create button. The vendor is now successfully created and appears in the vendor list. You can manage each vendor using the action buttons. Use View to see vendor details, Edit to update information, and Delete to remove the vendor. Click on the View button to open complete vendor details. Here you can access different sections, including Details, Bill, Purchase, Payment, Project, and Statement. In the Details tab, you can see vendor information. In the Bill and Purchase tabs, you can track transactions. In the Payment tab, you can manage payments. In the Project tab, you can view related projects. In the Statement tab, you can view and download the vendor statement as a PDF. This gives you a complete overview of the vendor activity and transactions. Tradoo ERP makes customer management simple, organized, and efficient.